right, this is a big development we're reporting on. Sources tell us that Elon Musk Starlink gets a key license from the Telecom Ministry in India. Elon Musk Starlink has received a key license from India's Telecom Ministry, clearing a major hurdle for the satellite provider and taking it closer to launching commercial operations in our country.
सैटेलाइट कनेक्टिविटी भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि दूर दराज इलाकों में जहां हम लोग वायर नहीं ले सकते लगा सकते, जहां हम टावर स्थापित नहीं कर सकते, वहां सैटेलाइट से ही कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ सकती है। और इसलिए ये आने वाले दिनों में तीसरा लाइसेंस दिया जाएगा। पहला लाइसेंस OneWeb को दिया गया था जो भारती की ग्रुप कंपनी है, दूसरा लाइसेंस रिलायंस को दिया गया था, तीसरा लाइसेंस स्टारलिंक को दिया जा रहा है। और इसके बाद स्पेक्ट्रम सरकार के द्वारा दिया जाएगा और उसके बाद तीव्र गति से ये सर्विस भी देश में पूर्ण रूप से चालू होगी।
I'm going straight across to Shivani Sharma, getting in more details. It's a major boost for Elon Musk Starlink. It's now got a license in India from the Telecom Ministry. This actually is the third after Reliance Jio and Bharti's OneWeb. What next in days and weeks to come? What do we expect? Shivani.
Neha, this is a big development,
Yes.
though we are still awaiting an official confirmation, but the sources have revealed that the license has been now granted to Elon Musk SpaceX company for the satellite services in India. And this happens to be the third important and a big company that will be providing internet access to India. And the spectrum allocation will be the next step. As we were also listening to Jyotiraditya Scindia, who is the communication minister, he was speaking yesterday, in fact, and he was saying that SpaceX happens to be the new flower in the bouquet. So this will be a revolutionary change because there will be multiple options and we'll see competitive pricing in the market after SpaceX starts giving its internet services in India, which will be the third big company. But we have to wait for the processes to take place and the services to be launched in India. But the step that has been now cleared is the licensing that has been allocated to SpaceX.
I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Shivani getting us those details. The minister has said that there would be spectrum allocation after the licensing process, but this is extremely significant and undoubtedly a boost to Elon Musk's Starlink, with the satellite internet company getting a license in India from the government.